and welcome to all the Planner Mums, Glam Mums and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I'm coming on to you with my Planner Perfect subscription box. Yes, you heard it right. I'm returning back to Planner Perfect and I'm going to talk about why I love this box, why I love Zenny's beautiful words and how they inspire me, and why I love the scripting method, and how from here onwards I would be continuing the subscription box. I have received January 2021 was my last subscription box. Then February, March, April I didn't get. April I really wanted it, but I was a little late. So starting with May and June, you would see I would be getting my box. I love Planner Perfect. Honestly, the shipping here to Qatar is a little expensive, and now this time was the first time I paid some custom as well. But I'm telling you, I cancelled quite many subscription boxes. So this one subscription box is all I need, because it makes not only makes my soul happy, makes me happy, but makes my soul happy as well. It's one of the best thing that, even though I didn't use February, March, April, I had not used, but I was still journaling. I will show you all the things that I have. And even when I write, she always talks about writing a better story. And that power you have. Of course, you need to pray to God to make these things happen. And if you do not know about Jenny's scripting method, it is basically all about art of positive thinking. It's also about, like, if you have heard about The Secret, the real thing is you, but it's not only about the secret, it also has a higher power. She connects us with all the things she talks about as to God and somebody you believe in, but you don't have to be religious. I'm a Hindu, but I believe a lot in Jesus, so this works for me. But even if you're of any religion, you can practice this scripting method. It's just putting positive thoughts in the universe, only thinking about positive things, only letting positive things sink into you. So if unconsciously your mind is in autopilot and you're always thinking positive, and only positive things happen. Many times you would have observed in life, many times when we are when we visualize things, when we think about things that we really want in our life, when we write about it, it really does come to pass. Of course, you pray for it, you work for it, and it comes to pass. So that's what she is. And what I like about Jenny's thing is she talks about not only writing and working on it, but not pushing it. Like, if it is not happening, let God be the captain of your ship. Give him everything, leave everything in his hands, and when the time is right, it will come, and you will understand that God's will is truly the best way. I'm going through a lot in my life at the moment, in the sense, with God's grace, my family back home, and we are safe here because of the COVID, but my mom is battling cancer. She is already done with the chemo, but all could not go well because she had a problem. So they now switched her to radiotherapy. This scripting method really helps me, because I write down, my mom is healed, my mom is better, she's a cancer warrior. So when I write it down, I'm sure, and I pray for it. Jenny has even a beautiful Facebook group where people pray for you. Jenny, she prays for my mom, Alka. She asks my mom's name, and she prays for her. More than that, when I write it down in my prayer book, I feel so much at peace, because it's like I'm talking to God. I have a daily prayer, a small thing, but this is like, putting my heart into it. But when I pray, I never write negative things. I let God put positive words and I pray for it, and it really works. Okay, now I will talk to you at the end about all this. So many of you have just come for the box, how it is. Many of you have seen it. This time it came a little late to me. Mostly I already have it by 25th, 26th, because of my change in new address. It took a little time, but still it came on the 29th. I have already used couple of stickers, and I've already decorated my plan book. So I will show you. Alright, so let's begin. It makes me so happy to see these beautiful artworks. You will not understand the power of, you can use a plain notebook also, right? You can always use a plain notebook. For me, however, when I see Jenny's, she's brought so much positivity in my life and so many ladies' life. When I see her art in books, I really it feels so happy, and it's so beautiful. You will see. See, so this is the first one. It's the May plan book. This is how the plan books looks like, and she has put beautiful flower here. You can see the beautiful flowers are there, and then May 2021. There's a picture, same rose she has drawn here. It's basically a blank notebook. Okay, I'll show you if you do not know. It has, when you open it, it looks like this. Write a better story. I still need to decorate. And then inside is a calendar. Again, I decorated it. I'll quickly show you the washi also, since you will see a lot of it inside. These are all the washes. I have swatched it, so I'll show you how it looks like. This is the yellow picture one. They are very good quality washi. Yeah, I especially love this yellow washi texture. I love how bright it is. Spring is all about that, right? And this is how the washis will look. The red one, the roses, these are the roses, and the yellow and the picture one, when swatched together, they look like this. So I've already decorated my planner because I wanted to start ASAP, but I have not put my goals yet, because tonight I will do that. Today is only the 30th. So you have like goals, you have goals pages. There are 4 goal pages, and then followed by the week. I just received it on the 29th, so 1st and 2nd I will start writing. So I just covered it. Maybe I will use it for something else. And then you have, I left the days empty, so maybe I can use it for a prayer, for grocery list, anything I want. Since so I start with Saturday 1st of May, and then 2nd of May Sunday. Then again you have the whole week. This may be for my YouTube or any special memories or menu planning for the timing. I might use this. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is my niece's birthday, so I've just decorated it a little, and so on. So I've just put these washes all the way. I still have not put the dates. So this is how your plan book is. This is basically where you script your day. You write down like how you plan your day ahead. So on the 30th, like tonight, I will write about the 1st. I will write about the things that I plan to do tomorrow, and write it in such a way that it's like I'm having so much fun with my daughter walking outside. It's going to be so much fun. We are going to see outside, feel the beauty, feel the wind on our face. We finally moved into a balcony home, and I had scripted about it daily in November. So finally we got a very beautiful home where we can walk, where I can hear the birds chirping, where I can watch the moon going up in the terrace or from my balcony, and it's simply amazing. These small things mean a lot, because me and my daughter, we were in a home, in an apartment, in 2-bedroom apartment, but it was with no balcony, no way we could go out because it was a hotel apartment. So we are so glad to move into a locality where my daughter is seeing kids of her own age, and it's all praise to God that this has happened. And this is also because every time I scripted about that what I wanted in my life, and that was something like that. So now the 4 goal pages, what I always do is I make it into family and health. What are my goals for this year, this month for my family? Goals for financially, what is the plan for this month? Then I always have something like God, and then YouTube and Instagram. I have an Insta, My Life with Babies. Do follow me in that as well. And then goals are like, whatever are my goals, I want to read this daily, that my mom is cancer free, she is healed, her radiation is going well, her body is strong, and mind is in peace, best is yet to come. And then like this. So this is just the plan book, and she also has a journal, which I mostly don't use because I have the journals of the previous to really make this scripting method very powerful, because I have other places where I write down prayers, and I have my Erin Condren vertical, which one column I use for prayer, and now mostly I will be getting the new Erin Condren Flora horizontal for my prayer and wellness. So then I will use these journals for now. This month maybe I will, because it has May written on it. If it was just a plain thing, then I would have kept it for my, like, because this month and next month I'm getting, and now I will be on a no spend for 2 months till August. So again in July I would be subscribing back for August box, so something like that. So May, June, July is the one box I might not get. I might use my June the journal for my plan book, because plan book is something I really love and I really use it on a daily basis. I'll show you at the end how I do that. Here is the roses, again carried forward at the back. Yeah, please leave in the comments what do you do about journaling, and what if you have used Planner Perfect, what you love the most about. I'm returning back to Planner Perfect. So there was a time from January I didn't want to be a part because it was expensive and I had a little problem with the customer care, but it was not because of their mistake. It's just the company policy, plus the package was lost, but they could not do anything because it was not a tracked shipping, and that was the only thing I had a problem. But Jenny was very good, she reached out to me. But listen to it, I got an extra December box, so it was like God's blessing, you know. Though I lost the November package, I was blessed with another package. It came to me and I was able to gift it to my subscribers. One of them was Danny Plans It from Instagram. He received some of the goodies, the accessories from that subscription box. So I'm telling you, this method is a game changer. When I talk about it, I'm so much happy. So just you can imagine when I do it, how much it makes me in peace. All right, so this already 7 minutes and we have only reached the journal. So this is the journal. In this, basically what will happen is every night you will plan your day for the next day, right? And this is, you will write your intentions. You can use it in so many ways. At the end, I will show you how I use my other journals. I have, because I bought a very big stock in the beginning. I already showed you guys the washi tape. This, sorry, I'm just shooting near the window, the light keeps changing. Then as I mentioned, I had used some of the stickers. You get 2 sticker sheets. All right, so this is one of the sticker sheet. It has these beautiful flowers. It's spring, right? So totally all flowers, birds, flowers and birds I really love. Yeah, you can see there's some lemon, this rose. So there are 2 sticker sheets, one you can hoard and one you can use. They're very good quality, premium quality of stickers. I've really very good stickers. This is this beautiful hydrangea. I really love it. I have a journal with this cover. This is the picture, and then this, all these beautiful things, different flowers, and here again the same. Yeah, so these are the stickers you get. I wanted to say to you, this picture that she has, it's about, for me this picture is how you can fill your life with, you know, you can fill your life with all the wisdom. A picture is quenches your thirst for anything that you want in life. So for me, it's, I quench, for me, my thirst is for positivity. My thirst is for a good life for my family. Being a full-time mom, I want to add value to my daughter's life, be an asset to my husband, help him the way I can, my back home, my in-laws and my parents, support them in ways I can. More than that, support the community I'm a part of, and plus my country. I come from India, all the way from India, living in Qatar. How we can help. My brother-in-law, he has a pharmacy in India, so this time we send him some money so he can give free medicines to the children, to the poor who cannot afford. Please pray for India. India is going through a lot of these COVID. There's happening a lot of problem in India. I please urge you guys to please pray for India, that things get better there, and it would really mean a lot to me, and things like that. So picture full of knowledge, picture full of love, picture full of faith, picture full of happiness. And I pray for each one of you that your life is filled to the brim, and that whatever your dreams and wishes are, that it comes to pass. That's my prayer for all of you, and I hope you do the same for me. All right, so then is this journaling. When I do Planner Perfect videos, I'm a little emotional because this planner really helped me. I have lots of planners. I have decorative planners. I have planners for Erin Condren. I'm going to get a Harriet Wright. I have Orestel. I have even the simplified I'm going to get, because I want some easy things also simplified. But Planner Perfect is the one that makes me have happiness tears. You know, that's where I pour out my heart. You know, you'll see my writing. But yeah, so these are some beautiful strawberries. These are tip-ins, she says, which you can put in your planner. You can put some your schedule or anything. All right, these are again some flowers. Beautiful. Look how these are all hand painted. Somebody is just not has thought about this and printed. Hello Spring. I'm going to decorate my planner as well. This is the beautiful hydrangea. This is the lemon. I'm saying the picture. Lemon color, and these are the other flowers. Yeah, so these are all the things that come in this subscription box. And she has other subscription box in which you can just get the accessories or just the plan book. I like the whole thing because anyway I'm paying for the shipping. No, I just wish this corona gets done and shipping will be cheaper, and then it would be much affordable. But as I said, I can cancel other things and have this for the rest of my life. Now this is the this is my plan. This is Poppy. I got her in December for my Christmas. This is how she looks like. She's used the most. I love her. I want to get that Francisca also, maybe next Christmas, coming Christmas, or maybe something like that. Yeah. So this is from my Villa Beautiful. I just put this charms here, and this is how the inside looks. I've not decorated it much. I love this for focus on whatever is lovely. This was from a December box. This is just my Coffee Monsters Go, Write a Better Story. And this was the Believe. This is the one I'm talking about. This is the journal I've still been using. I have another Believe because the extra Believe from the extra box is still with me. So I would maybe use it sometime, maybe in few months. Till September I will be getting the Planner Perfect, and then I'll have all of them like whenever I want. I will keep ordering because I want to save some money as well. So rather than getting these subscription box and paying for shipping, rather I want to get all the journals together. Washi and all I like, depends, but I think I can live without that. So maybe in after this subscription box, let's see, I might just get the journals or might continue. You will see, but definitely this is something you will see quite often in my channel, monthly once. Stay tuned. I'll show you what I do. So for example, here I have written like 15th April, Thursday. Thank you for everything in this life. Thank you for this new home. My Nuna and Sudhi are so blessed. Just generally I scribble whatever I feel like. I pray. This is just a journal. So this was the Write a Better Story. This was also a part of the December box. I think this was the journal in December box, January box. But since I didn't use, I just put April there through the one of the stickers. And then I have been using this for April. You can see whole of April I used this. And March, yeah, for the month of March I've been using it. And then I also continued it for April. March and April I have continued in this. So 28th April, then yesterday was the 30th April. This I had not washed all the way, only till there. These are Simply Gilded washes. I have lots of washes, so washi tape is not something, but I love the stickers Jenny has. But yeah, she has amazing washes as well. So this is Write a Better Story. I just use this as a bookmark. Now I will remove this. I'll do it in front of you guys. So this will go off, and I will put my new May book. Yeah, my May book will be here. And then I plan to remove this from here and put this at the end. Anyways, I'll do that later, so you guys will not have anything to worry. Means you don't I will not waste your time in the video. Then this is my book of urgent prayers. The will of God will never lead you where the grace of God will not protect you. That is so true. And then, as I mentioned, I'm a Hindu, so I always write Om, and then I also believe a lot in Jesus. And then you might ask why I believe in two religions, but I would say why not. I even respect Allah a lot because I live in the Middle East. It's because of the way we all think our God is superior than other God. We human only fight like that. God never fights. And God only talks about love. Jesus talks about love. Sai Baba talks about love. So I have faith. When I pray to both of them. And then I write down anything urgent that I require. I feel so much at peace when I write down. Like yesterday I wrote, Dear God, I come to you today praying for my mom. She is undergoing a radiation therapy. Also she has cold and fever. I pray to you that you heal her and she is healthy, happy and stronger. Please let my faith be more powerful than my fear. Please bless my mom. I wish I could help her. I can do is pray and pray and pray. My Sai Baba and Jesus keep her protected. Guardian angel watch over her. May no other sickness reach her. I also pray for my bosses and my family, so on. Anything I write down, I want to write. Sudhi is promoted. Sudhi is loved. I am loved. I write down like that. And let me show you my present book. For example, I write down. I even put sometimes the schedule. So the best thing about blank papers are you can do whatever you want. You can be creative, you can be just you want to do, and at the end the cover is beautiful. You will stack all of them, you will have memories capsule, not only tasks that you did, but you will have words that showed your how you that day pass or how you plan. And what I like about, how excited you can get. See, for example, I will eat healthy today. Today begins good health and focus on my health. I pray to God my gas problem will heal. I'm healed. Morning, Nuna and me will really enjoy writing practice, drawing and having lots of fun. I would have had good sleep and been so fresh and healthy. God, please help us have a good day. My Sudhi also will have. Please keep him safe, and whatever you want to put down. So I'm just showing you some of my personal things I write down. It's basically writing things that you want to happen, not writing anything like please make me debt free. Instead of writing please make me debt free, write down I have enough, I'm financially capable, and I'm healed, I'm healthy. You will not believe when if anything happens to me or touch wood to anybody, like my mom, she had yesterday, she had fever, she had after her radiation. I was worried because of the COVID cases increasing. Today I called her up, she was okay, because when my prayer I've written she is healed already. So I knew that nothing is going to happen. It happens, just you need to pray. And of course you need to, they are taking care, wearing mask and stuff like that, right? So this is my things that I don't reach out a lot. This is my Anastasia, which has been my first baby. I love her. Yeah, she has this aged feeling. Just put some vellum. This is just this girl with a pumpkin still. Need to change because I've not decorated her much. So this is about, like, resolutions, what makes me happy, so on. All right, this second book is my daughter's book, and I think because all the flower ones I want to keep for her. 25th February, dear God, was wonderful day. Thank you for the, it's some memories of my daughter. So this is baby S. Her name is Swadhinta, which means freedom. I have lots of videos in which I have shown this, so do check it out. So this I plan to have a memory book of hers. So every memory of her, like as the years will pass, maybe it will take 2-3 years, any special memories which I will give this book to her, so she will read it for herself. So anything special she did, she went out of the way and gave me water, helped me with the laundry, came running to me saying, Mama, I love you, something special. This is that day I reach out, and I want her to have those memories. So this is part 1. There will be many volumes, maybe till she is 15 and starts writing herself. 15, I mean 9, 10. At least for the next, she's 2.5 now, 3, another 6 years, then she'll start writing herself and understanding. Till then, I'll have all her memories jotted. And this is living a grateful life. This is also, I think this was the 20. So grateful. This is something I plan. It's like a gratitude journal. Yeah, this is for 2021. I write down like 20 things that I'm grateful for in 2020. So all the things that happened before, and now for 2022 I will write down all the things I was grateful in 2020. All the things I was grateful for. So since it was 2020, I should have put 2020 here. I'll change it. I have 20 reasons I was grateful for. Like, I'm grateful for the love and good health and both my babies, Sudhi and Swadhinta. My health, though I didn't lose weight, I never quit, nor will I. So grateful to share each moment with my baby girl, and so on. So all the 20 things I had used, I was grateful for, I wrote down. And this is my yearly, I plan to have something with my family. It's called like my yearly, with some of my, like my niece and nephews also participated in this. And what I love about Planner Perfect, look at the way when how it matches. This is my bucket, what do you call it, things to do, bucket list of life. So these are some of the countries I want to travel someday to. I want to definitely go to London, Scotland, UK. London is like my dream country. Disneyland, Hong Kong or Orlando, Singapore, Canada, Switzerland, Germany, Philippines, USA, Japan, China, Malaysia and Indonesia. My best friend is in Canada, another good friend is in Germany, and my family back home in India. Of course, that's where I live, that's my home, so I have not written, but definitely after this pandemic, first thing I'm going to go and meet my family. Yeah. So this is how I use some of the journals which I've just kept here, and I take it off on and off. So that's it. So I think it's a 22 minutes video. Thank you so much again for taking the time to watch my video. I wish all of you a wonderful day, afternoon or evening, wherever you are. Stay blessed, and thank you, and keep me in your prayers as each one of you are. And please leave in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and if anything I can help you with, I would be gladly able to help you. If any prayer requests, please leave in the comments. Do follow Jenny, and do follow the Facebook group from Planner Perfect. Amazing ladies, they really support you. Whenever I have something in my heart, I write down, I ask them to pray, they pray over it, and then I know in God's time it will happen. For the moment, at this time, I just want things to get better in India and the world. I'm vaccinated with God's grace. I got both my vaccines done. My husband too. My dad and my in-laws have, but my rest of my family in India, I pray that they get. And thank you once again for taking the time. God bless.